Students of 8th standard, now in your syllabus the next chapter is chapter 8, comparing quantities. We compare the quantities in the same unit. Always keep in your mind, and already we studied in 7th standard about ratio and percentage. So recalling ratios and percentages, we know ratio means comparing two quantities. What times, what part. A basket has two types of fruits, 20 apples and 5 oranges. If we compare both, that means whatever number are oranges, 4 times that of apples. If 5 oranges are there, then 20 apples are there. If 10 oranges are there, so 10 fours are 40 apples are there. Then the ratio of the numbers of oranges to the number of apples. So oranges 5, apples 20. The ratio is 5 upon 20, 1:4. The number of oranges is 1:2, 1/4 the number of apples. Or we can say that if we change, so the ratio we will get 4:1. So 4 times apples than that of oranges. If number of apples given, so divide by 4, we can calculate oranges. And if the oranges is given, multiply by 4, we can calculate the apples. Vice versa. In terms of ratio, this is 1:4. 1:4. Or number of apples to number of oranges 4:1. Which means the number of apples is 4 times the number of oranges, already explained. This comparison can also be done using percentage. So find the percentage. So how we can calculate the percentage? There are 5 oranges out of 25 fruits. So 25 fruits out of 25, 5 oranges are there, and multiply by 100 and put percentage sign. I am explaining here. So out of 25 fruits, 5 oranges are there. So how many percentage of oranges? Percentage sign. We always do this. We never do in this way. Okay, we always, for calculating the percentage, we multiply by 100 and put percentage sign. Why we multiply? Because percentage means we are talking about out of 100. So out of 100, if 5 upon 25, we will talk out of 100, that means 100 we will write here. So when we are dividing this quantity by 100, we will multiply this quantity also by 100, and this 100 will make percentage sign. So I have written this step in this form. So 25 fours are, so 20% oranges, and then out of 25 apples are 20. So if 20% oranges, then total 100% minus 20, 80% are apples. Or we can calculate in this way also. So out of I am writing here, okay. Now out of 25, 20 apples are there, multiply by 100, percentage sign, 4s are, and 24s are 80% apples. You can see. And in another way, by unitary method, out of 25 fruits, number of oranges are 5. So out of 100 fruits, number of oranges will be, so this number in the numerator, this number denominator, into multiply by 100, that means 20. So percentage of apples plus percentage of oranges is equal to, already I told you. Now next, directly we will start now. Try this. So read carefully and then we will start after try this exercise 8.1. okay, 8th standard. Let us start from page number 119. You can see here, try this. In a primary school, the parents were asked about the number of hours that they spend per day in helping their children to do homework. There were 90 parents who helped for half an hour to one integer half an hour. 1.5 hours. The distribution of parents according to the time for which they said they helped is given in the adjoining figure. 20% helped for more than 1.5 hours per day. Okay, 30% helped for half an hour to 1.5 hours. 50% did not help at all. Using this, answer the following. Okay, adjoining figure you can see 50% did not help at all. 30% helped for half an hour to 1.5 hour. Helped for more than 1.5 hour. Okay. Now question based on this graph, or you can say circle, pie graph, or using this answer the following. How many parents were surveyed? So you can see here 90 parents. How many said that they did not help? So 50% said. Okay, how many said that they helped for more than 1.5 hours? So 20%. So let us start. Okay, you can see first answer, 90 parents were surveyed. Now 50% of 90, what will be 90 into 50 upon 100? Because when we remove the percentage sign, always we put 100 in the denominator. So you can see here one cancel, two zeros cancel from this one and that one. 9 5s are 45. So 45 parents said that they did not help. Now next is 20% of 90. So 90 into 20 upon 100, percentage sign we are removing here from. So two zeros cancelled by those two zeros. 92 is 18. 18 parents said that they helped for more than 1.5 hours. Okay. Now let us start exercise 8.1 and A. Sub question A of question number first you will solve, and I am solving for you question number B. 5 meter to 10 kilometers. So for the ratio, always keep in your mind this, the units are same. That means units should be same. So 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meters. So 10 kilometer equal to 10,000 meter. So now 5 meter to 10,000 meter is equal to 5 upon 10,000. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, and 3 0 as it is. So 1 upon 2,000, 1 is to 2,000. Second, that means C. 50 paisa to rupees 5. So we know that in rupees 1 equal to 100 paisa. So in rupees 5 is equal to 500 paisa. Now 50 paisa to 500 paisa is equal to 50 upon 500. So cancel this 0. 1 0 cancel by 1 0, and 5 ones are 5. 5 times are 50, or 5 ones are 5. 0 you can put as it is. So 1 upon 10, that means 1 is to 10. Okay. Now second question is convert the following ratios in the percentage. So I am solving for you B part of question number 2. You can see 2 is to 3. So 2 is to 3, that means 2 upon 3 multiply by 100. When we are percentage word we are using, we always talk about on 100. So this percentage sign I am putting, that means in the denominator 100 is there. So directly I am putting here percentage sign and multiply by 100. So you can see cancellation, reduced form is not possible. So multiply numerator by numerator, and denominator is as it is 3. So 100 into 2, 200. So 200 upon 3. When you will divide, 3 6 are 18, 3 6 are 18, 66 time, remainder is 2. So we can write in the mixed integer form 66 integer 2 upon 3 percentage. Now third question you can see. Question number third is 72% of 25 students are interested in mathematics. How many are not interested in mathematics? Okay, let us start. Given 72% of 25 students are interested in mathematics, then 72% of 25. 25 into 72. When we will remove the percentage sign, always we put 100 in the denominator. Now you can see 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100, and 72 is divisible by 4 18 times. 4 ones are 4, 4 eights are 32. That means 18 students are interested in mathematics. You will write complete sentence dot 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 I have put. Now total number of students are 25, and those who are interested 18. So 25 minus 18 is equal to 7. That means 7 students are not interested in mathematics. Okay, 8th standard students, let us start from 4th question of exercise 8.1. A football team won 10 matches out of the total numbers of matches they played. If their win percentage was 40, then how many matches did they play in all? Okay, let us start. Here you will write first, given a football team won 10 matches out of the total number of matches, and the win percentage was 40. So let the total number of matches be x. Then win 40% of x is equal to 10 matches they won. Now 40 into x upon 100, when you will remove the percentage sign, you can see here. So 40x upon 100 is equal to 10. So x equal to 10 into reciprocal of it 100 upon 40, that means 0 cancel by 0, and this 0 cancel by this 0, and 100 is divisible by 4 25 times. So the total number of played matches 25. Okay, now see here. Next question is, if Chameli had rupees 600 left after spending 75% of her money, how did she have in the beginning? Okay, let the Chameli had rupees x in the beginning. First you will write given. Okay, so given you can copy from here. Given Chameli had rupees 600 left after spending 75% of her money, and then you will write let Chameli had rupees x at the beginning, then left percentage of money with Chameli. So in the percentage form, so 75 already she spent, so 25% she saved. Now 25% of x is given in rupees from 600. So when you will remove the percentage sign, 25 upon 100 into x, this you will multiplication sign you will put in place of this. So x equal to 600 into 100 upon 25, reciprocal you will write. Now see, 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are. So she was having rupees 2400 in the beginning. Okay. Now 6th question, children, if 60% people in a city like cricket, 30% like football, and the remaining like other games, then what percent of the people like other games? If the total number of people is 50 lakh, find the exact number who like each type of game. Okay, now see here, first you will write given 60% people in a city like cricket, 30% like football, and the remaining like other games, and total number of people is 50 lakh. Then percentage of the people like other games is equal to 100 minus 60 plus 30, or you can write total percentage of people who like cricket and football match is equal to 60 plus 30. Then left percentage of people like other games, 100 minus 90. Both the way you can do beta. So 10%. Okay, now number of people who like cricket match is equal to 60% of 50 lakh. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So 50 lakh into 60, when you will remove the percentage sign, you will put in the denominator 100. This 0 cancel by this, and this 0 cancel by this. So you will get 30 lakh. So you will, statement form, you will write 30 lakh people like cricket match. In this way you can calculate for football and other games.